enjoy in moderation instead of yo-yo dieting. Yo-yo dieting usually is really a restrictive way of eating, right? One after the other. So you restrict and you eat a lot, and you restrict and you eat a lot, right? That is what happens to many, many people. Now, instead of completely restricting, just eat in moderation, right? Make sure you get the right amount that you need to feel satisfied. Develop a better relationship with food, eat mindfully, and then you don't need so much food. Also, if you eat the healthy food, like full of nutrients, you will not eat so much food. Eventually, your body will adapt. But you need to go away from the restrictive way of dieting and then overeating, right? So just keep a moderate way of eating and you can reach your weight loss or health goals.